What's good, everybody? And that right there is a reversal hook kick. So this might seem like a kick that comes off as a fast, impactful kick, and you are absolutely right. So one thing about this kick is a very quick motion that targets mainly at the head level. So why is this kick so special? When it comes to martial arts, the head level, you get more points. And as a points game, you want that. So we're going to break this down for you. First things first, we're just going to turn our head and look at the bag, just like our back kick. Same thing, we're going to lift our leg up, straight up from here, while looking at the bag. And number three, we're going to make a rainbow with our kick. So we don't want our kick to go downwards like this, but instead, we want to grab as much as we can. Imagine, you're greedy. You want to take as much as you can. So in real speed, I'm going to show you. We're going to bounce and boom, just like that. And if you like that, like and subscribe.